This is crazy. That tree grew up in the middle of this thing. This thing's been sitting here forever. It's literally like part of an old tractor and the, is this called a plow? Like a mechanical plow, but anyway, it has the wheel still on it and everything. I think there's like dogs in the background. Anyway, this thing is really, really cool. It's just something neat to see. I thought I'd show you all this. Really, really cool. As you know, it just shows that nature just thrives no matter what. I mean, the earth will eventually heal itself. As it sucks seeing trash everywhere and pollutants in the water, and it may or may not be doing something really horrible, but the earth may also be trying to heal herself. You know, I don't really know what's going on with this planet. Scientists and tons of politicians will tell you all different sorts of different things. I think if you spend time out in nature, you'll be able to judge for yourself. But this stuff just fascinates me like this, so I just wanted to show it off.